Hello and welcome everyone. This is Vipin Sharma, your expert in aviation and tourism industry. Do you want to become a cabin crew and want to fly with the airlines all over the world? Do you want to apply for some of the best jobs which are coming up with the airline for cabin crew and ground handling? Well, there is eligibility criteria that about the height, about the weight, but along with that, you need to learn the basics for cracking the interview, and you have to upskill yourself in many areas like communication, like personality, grooming, and how to crack that interview. Along with that, you need to have the right knowledge about the job that you want to join. Well, for doing a course like this, you may end up spending more than 1 lakh, but the good news is that you can do this course while sitting at home through our learning videos at your convenience at the time suitable to you. The content in this course is as good as any classroom course, and this will help you to prepare and get ready. And not only this, we're going to help you with all the placement opportunities which are coming from the airline. When they want candidates to come for the interviews, we're going to help you with each and every opportunity so that you can go and apply and get into your dream job. We're going to help you with the placements, but for placements, please keep it in mind that for ground handling, you have to be a graduate. If you're not a graduate, we will not be able to help you. But for cabin crew, if you're 12th pass, you are eligible, provided you meet the other criteria, which is height, weight, and eyesight, and many other things. So what are you waiting for? Just go on the link below and register yourself on our free course which is given here, and get a feel of how you can upgrade and upskill yourself to the level which is required for the selection. So we're looking forward to seeing you in the classes very soon. Till then, take care and all the best.